Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be mixing all my makeup together. I first saw Sophia do this. She did her lipstick. It was a Franken lipstick. Then she had foundation. It was a Franken foundation. And then the other night I watched Alyssa Ashley do it. Sorry, I haven't pulled up my phone. And she did like her whole face, like her foundation and stuff. And I just wanted to try it out. So we're going to be trying that out today. I've already mixed all the products. I filmed it all, so you'll see all that. I showed every product. I didn't really talk through it because... what am I going to say? It's going to be lengthy. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Keep watching if you want to see how the products turned out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you. So first of all, I'm going to apply my primer. This is what it looks like. I just have everything in these little glass jars or Tupperware because I don't really have any mixing dishes. So I will say it's chunky. I don't know if that's my mixing because some of my primers, they're just like the pore filling primers. They're kind of chunky. So for this video, I didn't do lipstick or eyebrows or eyeshadow. Because if I mix all my eyeshadows, it sounds like a lot. But I thought about doing like all my Jeffree Star lipsticks. Or all my lipsticks in general. So let me know if you want to see that down below because I have a lot. It's a big collection. And this feels pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. So, since my last video was like last September that you've seen. Now I'll probably have a different video up before this. But I cut my hair last night, my own hair. And I went to hair school, so I know better. But I did it anyway. Because I had a lot of split ends. And I could have went to the hair salon, but something overcame me and I was like, I'm gonna go cut my hair right now. So next we're gonna apply a foundation. So in this container, I don't have a lot of containers, so I'm using like Tupperware and shit. So this is the foundation and this is the concealer. So we're gonna apply foundation first, which is also kind of chunky because of my L'Oreal Total coverage. Ooh, this color looks pretty legit. It looks dark in the tube, in the Tupperware. But in this it looks good. Oh, I have high hopes right now. So I'm just gonna that's how you do it, guys. Let's put a little bit down here. Now I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques Beauty Complexion sponge and blend that out. And hope for the best. So on camera I feel like I look really light. It's probably because of all the lights. But I feel like it matches really well. My brush just broke. It's not as full coverage as I would have hoped. Like, I'm having redness. I hope my skin doesn't break out from all this. So I'll probably wash it off right after I'm done. Because it's like 5 o'clock and I'm not going anywhere. It's supposed to snow. I'm not really a big fan of snow, but you know, it is what it is. Now for our concealer, I have this top mixture. Oh yeah, this is definitely concealer. Look how light that is. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. It's going on smoothly so far. Real test to see how it blends and sets on the face after powder. We're cute right now. I'm gonna put a little bit right there. Put it right there. Again, I felt this looks dark in the container, but it's so good. It's not dark at all. Very brightening. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids because I want it to be even. You see that difference between that eye? Ooh, she looking good. She looking good. So next we're gonna take our mixed up setting powder. In the video I didn't show it, but I did put Ben Nye in this afterwards, like the white translucent powder, because I forgot that it was there. So I did add another powder than what I filmed. Next we have bronzer. This looks like freaking cocoa powder and it looks really dark. And I'm scared. I'm scared. Ooh, 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 that's dark, that's dark, that's dark, that's dark. Oh God, this dark. Oh, it's not blending very well either. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. That little patch right there is not blending. I don't like that. So now I'm just using my powder brush to make sure everything is nice and blended. Try to salvage this look, salvage. Next we're gonna go on with our blush that looks like a that dark pink color. Very dark, 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 dark. I used to be really rosy cheeked. And now I've calmed down a little bit, but not in this video. Oh, we're gonna be real rosy in this one. Nothing looking in the mirror. It looks totally different in the mirror. Ooh, she rosy. Ooh, she rosy. Ooh, she's rosy, rosy, rosy. She looks like a clown. I will say that my eyes are already creasing. I'm gonna go back in with my powder brush and try to chill this out. Next, we're gonna go on with our highlighter, which again looks really dark. Dark. Again, I'm just gonna try to grab some on the sides, tap it off. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is pretty. That's pretty. That's pretty. I'm excited. Oh, it even looks pretty in the mirror. Oh, thank heavens. Cause I have like a rainbow highlighter and stuff, so I'm like, I put my Moon Child kit in there and I hit pan on one of them because I scraped it too hard. And girl, I'm sad. And then the brow bone. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot of the brow bone. A lot. That was a lot. Not a little. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with mascara and lipstick on. It definitely tied it together a little bit better, but I'm going to show you a close-up just so we can go over everything. So I'm going to show you what it looks like and then we can talk about it. Alright, so I turned my lights down a little bit so you could see. Alright, so let me tell you my thoughts on each mixture. The foundation wasn't bad at all, but it wasn't like full coverage. Like I could still see redness, so I had to put a second layer on. But I don't hate it, but I do think that it's creasing, like my smile lines are creasing and stuff. And my face still feels like a little, my face feels sticky. Or maybe that's from the concealer. Either way, my face feels a little sticky still. The concealer, it's creasing. It's creasing under my eye. Like you just saw that. And the powder is okay, but I did put it on my eyelid, and if you looked, it looks all yellow and gunk on my eyelid, and usually I do put translucent powder on my eye. So I'm not really sure why it looked like that, but I was not impressed. The bronzer, definitely not, definitely no. It's a no go. Oh, I forgot about the primer. I did like the primer. The primer felt good. The primer was nice. And then the blush was really rosy. Really rosy. It was a bit dark for my liking. And it did take a second to blend out, but it wasn't bad at all. The highlighter, where I thought it was going to be too dark, I definitely think it's like a really pretty color on my skin. And I think it turned out really nicely because I did mix a bunch of highlighters. But I definitely think it turned out nicely. So, that's all the products. Like, I can still feel it. Like, I can feel myself scratching my foundation off when I scratch my nose. Which is the worst. But anyway, let me know what you want to see next. If you want to see me mix all my lipsticks, I could totally do that. There's a bunch. There's a bunch. My drawer's open so I can see them all. I can do either the tube lipsticks or the liquid lipsticks, or we can try to mix everything. Or if you want to see a totally different video of me trying something, let me know down below. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching me do my weird little science experiment. I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.